this is Saab going bad channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your car door handles looking from old and faded to like brand new one. And this is the tools we need. It's cutting knife, structure paint, and we don't pay me or anything. I just like wear products. Some body wipe clean, I use this one, rags, some masking tape, plastic, and some memory foam. You should use bigger grade because it's too rough, but it will be okay for our job. And this is how our door handles looks before. As you can see, we have faded and it's not looking very great. We will start our job by masking door handles, and preparing is the key, so don't rush, and I will skip forward.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end.
This is how it looks with plastic covers, and you can use more because you don't want that paint to stick on your body panels. Now we will use memory foam or sandpaper on our handles, and as you can see, mine is a little too rough, but it really doesn't matter. You just have to prepare surfaces for the paint to stick better.
Days will never end, yeah, no. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that I'll fire that I love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight. There won't be one.
Now with body panel wipe, we will prepare our surfaces and remove any oils or contaminants, and you can also use rubbing alcohol or other panel wipes. Next step is to shake paint really well, and we will start to spray our handles. You can spray a few layers, it only depends on you because with each layer structure is changing.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah. In the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, smoke, smoke. Fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red. Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that I'll fire that I love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
as we can see, it looks really great, and we let paint to dry for a couple of minutes before removing the tape. We also can compare to old handle, which looks really old and faded. So yeah, paint dries quickly, so you can touch insides of the handle in about half an hour to an hour, and just don't wash your car for a day or two. That's all I wanted to show you guys, and if you like my video, give thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and until the next time, bye.